Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by today's title and stuff, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I styled this beautiful wig from Mscoco. If I'm not mistaken, this is what this, I think it says Mscoco, but the hair just came in this cute red box, which just looks like this in the inside and all that stuff. Oh, the inches is 24 inches. This is a body wave wig. It's a 13x4 lace front wig, so there you go. Let's just get into what this wig came with. This wig actually came with a lot of goodies, and y'all know I love my goodies. So the products just came in this bag right here. What accessories, I guess you can call it, just came in this bag. I'm just gonna take everything out so this can be a little easier on me. So it comes with 2 clips for your hair that you can pin back, which I used in the video. It comes with a pamphlet in here that just shows you guys how to, basically just saying thank you, how to take care of the hair and all of that. It comes with a wig cap. It comes with a bonnet. Let's open this bonnet so we can see what this looks like. I love this color. I've never had a color bonnet like this at all. Ooh, this is pretty big. So it comes with a cute little bonnet. It comes with a pink comb. And it also comes with an edge brush. And it comes with a headband and some lashes. So that's all that this wig comes with. Let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair turned out. The crimps look really good, and I just went in and did some edges as y'all. Well, I didn't show y'all me doing my edges because I was kind of struggling with the edges a little bit. I wish I would have went in and plucked more, but other than that, it's okay. It's still cute and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And also make sure you check out Mscoco. I think I'm saying this right. Mscocohair in the description down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. And I love you guys. Bye.